Hi Dream Team! Welcome back to today's video wherein I have got for you the perfect summer essentials. Now that summers are already in Bombay, hitting us hard in our faces, these are the products that are going to save the day. So I've got some really amazing skincare, body care, hair care and even a little bit of fashion. So if you want to know all things fun, then please keep on watching. Let's go! Start off with, let's talk about fashion. Now this particular top from Uptowny has been trending everywhere on the internet. I'm telling you, everywhere. And I obviously had to get mine from Amazon at a really steal deal. I literally got this for like $380 and it is, ta-da! This top right here. Now I absolutely had to go for this bright orange. Now I did go a little crazy because I loved the color so much. They only had like I think a small and a double XL, so I went ahead and got me like a double XL in this, which is honestly very big and crazy, but I mean I love this color so much that I'm just like, you know what, double XL to double XL, but I need this color, like this bright orangey color. I'll show how it looks on the model. Now there are different ways of wearing this. You can wear it like an off shoulder or even on your shoulder like a cowl neck and all things crazy and fun. I absolutely love this, and the fact that it ruches around your waist and it has that cinching corset effect, I love it. I mean, this is how it looks from the back in case if you're wondering. And yes, please get yourself this top because it's not only trendy but also very versatile. So that's number one. Now let's talk about body care, shall we? Now it is very important that we all get rid of our body odor and keep it at bay, and trust me, it all starts from your shower routine. I know you didn't see that one coming. So something that I have really enjoying at the moment is this old school Medimix ka sabun. I mean, I absolutely loved it. The other day I went to the supermarket and I spotted this sabun and I'm just like, oh my god, nostalgia hit me and I had to get one for me. Now if you are someone who has extreme body odor issues, then you maybe want to consider getting a double cleanse while you are in the shower. And by that I mean, first you need to get rid of the bad bacteria and all of the dirt and gunk on your body. So for that you can go ahead and use maybe like a Dettol or a Savlon or Lifebuoy or anything that just gets rid of all of the bad bacteria from your body, and then go ahead with your scented body washes or body soaps. Next up on the list is to scrub your body. We need to get rid of the tan, but at the same time to get that smooth summer skin. And I know we love wearing our dresses, and the best part is every time I scrub and then shave my body, oh my god, my skin is like a baby's butt. This is from the house of Lux. It is their lavender and vitamin C scrub. I absolutely love it, so much so that this is literally my second tub. I love the fact that you get so much product and it is heavily scented, like heavily scented. So if you are sensitive to scents, maybe this is not the pick for you, but overall I love how creamy it is in texture, and even the granules in here are not too harsh where it like scratches your body, but strong enough to get rid of the dead skin. So you know, it's just like the perfect combination and I absolutely love it. Now let's talk about deodorants. Now personally I enjoy using the Spritz deodorant, especially the one from Nivea, which was their cucumber and aloe variant. I cannot find it anywhere for the love of god, but this is how it used to look like and I thoroughly loved it. It would last on my skin so long, and even after shaving it wouldn't irritate my skin. However, something that I'm on and off with is the Nivea men's underarm roll-on. I just like it. It smells good and you know, it stays for longer and keeps my odor at bay. Just because it is summers out there does not mean it is your time to get that ashy skin going. Like no, that is not acceptable. We want to keep our skin hydrated and moisturized at all times. Now to do so, something I've been really enjoying is this baby right here. This is from the house of Parachute. It is their body lotion in the variant coconut milk and honey. Now this is such a lightweight moisturizer. First of all, I love the packaging. It can, as you can see, it has this lock packaging, so only when you want to use this you can just get some product. It is such thin in consistency and it just like gets into your skin. It doesn't irritate, it is not too greasy or heavy. At the same time it does leave your skin with this really amazing mild scent. All of my summer perfumes layer very beautifully on top of this, and as you can see my skin feels so so shiny, so hydrated and moisturized, but at the same time it gets absorbed into my skin like this, which I absolutely love. And somebody who's a dry skin type, I want to stay moisturized but not heavily moisturized. So this, my friend, is the perfect one, and you definitely need to get your hands on this. Now, my dear friends, when it comes to sunscreen, there are so many sunscreens out there in the market today. I mean, there is mineral sunscreen, there is physical sunscreen, there is all sorts of crazy types of sunscreens, and all of them at some point are looking literally exactly the same. Even as a beauty influencer, if I may, I am confused and overwhelmed just like you, because I have got rid of a lot of my makeup and skincare collection over the past few years, and I'm really trying to be mindful in purchasing newer products. However, that being said, I literally went on Amazon and found myself the cheapest but yet the most recommended sunscreen, and the one that I found is tada! This is from the house of Aqualogica. It is their Radiant Plus Dewy sunscreen with watermelon and niacinamide. Now, I really enjoyed this sunscreen. It is very lightweight on the skin. It is very dewy and hydrating without it being greasy, which I absolutely love. The words like dewy and like just radiant are words that I love and look forward to, because my skin never feels like that on its own. So yeah, I mean, so far so good, no complaints. I've been really enjoying this. It has got SPF 50 with PA++ and UVA UVB protection, which is absolutely amazing, and the price point that it came in and the discount, I think it was Chumeshwari, and you should definitely give it a try and get yourself a good sunscreen. Alright, now let's talk about hair care for a little bit. Now, I have honestly never understood the hype of dry shampoo. I didn't get why anybody was using it. It wasn't doing much for me until I realized that I was doing it the wrong way. Now, first of all, please get yourself a good dry shampoo, especially if you're a gym girly. This summer season is going to drive you crazy, and your hair is going to be a hot mess with a lot of dust and sweat and dirt and build up all at once. It can be really overwhelming, and I personally do not recommend washing your hair every alternate days or every day for that matter. Please try to go longer with your hair washes, but at the same time make sure that there is not a lot of product or dirt build up, because even that is not good for your scalp. Now, personally, something I really love doing is using a dry shampoo on days like that. The best way to use a dry shampoo is to not hold it so close to your roots where it leaves this white stark residue, because that's not how it's done. You need to hold the dry shampoo really far away and hit it on your scalp in continuance, and oh my god, that made such a huge difference. There's a lot less residue while the product spreads very evenly in my scalp. I like to give it a good massage, and personally I like to use my dry shampoo on day 2 or day 3 hair, and I like to use it at night. So I like to massage it, comb my hair through, tie it, probably braid it, and wake up the next morning and all of the dirt, the gunk, the sweat is all absorbed, and just like that I'm able to extend another day of my hair wash. Now, I don't recommend using dry shampoo on 2 consecutive days, because again, that's a lot of product built up for your scalp. This is just like an emergency thingamajig, which I kind of tend to do every pretty week. Now let's talk about some makeup. Now, makeup can be really intimidating, especially with this climate. Everything can melt off your face, and something that really helps me enjoy my therapeutic makeup session is to use a good primer. And something that I have been really loving is this baby right here. This is from the house of Insight. It is their minimizing pore primer, and it is literally priced at ₹99. I actually tried this on camera with you guys along with some amazing cheap makeup. If you want to check out that video, I'll leave a link up here and also in the description. Check it out. But I love this so much. It is a beautiful silicone base. It is beautifully canvassing my face and, like, you know, getting rid of any kind of texture or bumpiness, but at the same time my makeup is able to cling on to it. Like, it is absolutely beautiful how well this product works. I am in love with this, and I highly recommend you to give this a try. Regardless of your skin being oily or dry, you are gonna love this. Now let's talk about foundation for a minute, because I know foundation again can be a really intimidating thing, and something that I recommend is, instead of using a foundation foundation per se, or even a BB cream, how about you go ahead and try yourself a foundation stick. Now I absolutely love this. It is a perfect dupe of the Makeup Revolution foundation stick that I absolutely love, but it is priced at rupees 850, 750 something, and I wanted to see if there's a better dupe out there, and guess what, there is, which is from the house of Swiss Beauty. The packaging is literally bang on like the Makeup Revolution one, and I absolutely love this stick foundation. I am in the shade 05 and the finish on here is beautiful. It's a medium to buildable coverage and it sticks onto my skin very beautifully and lasts for really long. So it's a definite must have. Wow, my camera just died, but here we are back and rolling. Okay, let's continue the process. It's barely charged, so I'm gonna keep it quick now. Moving forward, let's talk about a compact. Now, compacts are really important to keep your makeup sealed, especially after the stick foundation. Now, personally, like I told you, I prefer the stick foundation over the liquid foundation because with liquids, it tends to be more heavier, it has more oils and everything in it, and the moment you go out in the sun, it's just gonna melt off. So something that I like to use on top of my stick foundation is this baby right here. From the house of My Glam, it is their Posay HD banana powder, and as you can see, I have hit pan on this. I absolutely love this. It's a beautiful banana shade and it's so soft to the touch. It blends very easily, doesn't sit heavy on the skin, at the same time absorbs the sweat very well, and the coverage on here is beautiful. I like to use this on my touch-up days and it's just so easy. I mean, I love the packaging. It's so fuss-free, and this is in the shade banana in case if you're wondering. But yeah, I just absolutely love it, and because it's an HD powder, again, it photographs very beautifully, and overall this is my favorite compact at the moment, and I definitely think you should give this a try for this summers. Alright, now let's talk about some perfumes, shall we? Because how can we even talk about summer essentials without talking about perfumes? And can we just take a moment and go back to the olden days and appreciate how well and how effective does an ittar or an attar, or even in a fancier term, perfume oil work? Because honestly, it has blew my mind away. I recently got myself this ittar. Obviously you can get it from a local store, but I wanted to be this person who gets it from Amazon. So I got me this ittar from Amazon. This is in the chocolate variant. It's a 3 ml bottle, and oh my god, if you don't know what an ittar is, it's basically a roll-on bottle, aka a perfume oil, and it lasts so long on me. I absolutely love it. It makes me feel like a snack, smell like a snack, because like literally it's in the variant chocolate. It's not too strong, not too pungent. It lasts so long on my skin. Especially I like to use this as soon as I've moisturized my skin with my body lotion. I just like to roll it on my pulse points and then go ahead with my perfume, and my perfume even lasts longer. And this is so compact. I mean, why aren't we using this more often? Why are we still stuck to our age-old Bath and Body Works and those Plump and Sugar and all of these fancy body mists and perfumes, or even the luxurious ones? I mean, I get the hype and the thought behind it, but I am really loving my ittar face, and especially this chocolate wala. And I got a combo of chocolate and vanilla. I love the vanilla one also. I actually don't know where I've kept it, in which purse, so this is the one I have on hand with me. But I love the whole chocolate smell. It makes me, like I said, feel like a snack. Please get your hands on an ittar. You will absolutely not regret. With that being said, let's talk about perfume nevertheless. I am personally in love with this baby right here. This is from the house of Pure Essence. It's their Macadamia perfume, and it smells so luxurious, so heavenly, so mature even. I mean, it smells very nutty, very woody, but at the same time, it's a very soothing smell. It's very beautiful and calming, and I absolutely love the scent on here. It's not sexy, it's just very rich scent. You need to smell this. It's very nutty to say the least, but yeah, absolutely love this. Lasts on me for a solid 3 to 4 hours, which is fair enough, because then I have my ittar to smell good. And wow, my camera is running. So yes, that's it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my social media. Links are down below. I will see you soon. Bye.